Okay, let's add a little more personality by creating a little bump when the kinetic and the typography hit. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to extend my null object to the left so it starts sooner. And as kinetic comes up and it hits, well, I'm going to go just before it hits by 2 frames. And I'll put a position keyframe there. And then right where it hits, I'm going to move everything up. Then I'll go over to copy and paste the first frame. And now let's see, we go up, boom, and play it. That just makes it a little bit more fun. So it comes up, boom, comes over. Okay, on this one, I want the typography to do the same thing. But I've got it immediately turning, and as it's turning, it's changing position. So I need to hold it until I can do the bump from turning. So take the rotation keyframe, I'll move that over. We've got a position keyframe, that one has to move over as well. So now I've got the type coming up. I'll go back 2, 1, 2, put a keyframe. Here it's going to move up, everything's going to move up. 1, 2, copy and paste this first one. So it goes up, bump, and then it turns. Let's see what that looks like. Bump. Okay, I think it's a little fast after the bump, so I'm going to slow everything down. I think the turn and everything's a little fast after the bump. Let's give it a little bit time. I like extending that fade on those other letters out a little bit farther. Maybe it comes out till here. That kind of might make sense. Okay, so that just adds a little bit more personality.